sharing her valuable time and expertise as commencement speaker during the 79th UC Main graduation exercises held at the New Cebu Coliseum, Cebu City, given the 16th day of October in the year of our Lord, 2012. Signed, Ms. Candice Bacchanoy, Chancellor, Attorney Augusto W. Go, President. Once again, a round of applause for our speaker, Honorable Grace Coleman.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay. To the candidates for graduation. Attorney Augusto
Yeah, of course. I wouldn't miss it. I wanted to see.
The graduates with bachelor's degrees and certificates titled to their diplomas. Dr. Mauro Alan P. Amarado, Program Coordinator of the Graduate School